We begin with a Team 10 consumer alert: mold and a foul odor seeping from front-loading washing machines.
It is a problem that could affect millions of people. Team 10 investigator Adam Rakusin is live in the newsroom. And Adam, the owners of those machines may be entitled to some money.
Yeah, it could be a little bit of money or a lot of money. This is all part of a class action lawsuit. So if you bought one of those certain types of front-loading washing machines between 2001 and 2010, you could get $50, or you could get a rebate for a new washing machine, or reimbursement for money that you spent dealing with mold and odor problems on the last one.
I'm going to run a load.
Doing the laundry was never the problem. Ruth Ogden says it was the odor coming from her clothes after they were washed.
And that was probably a year or two after we bought the washer. We started noticing an odor in like our towels. It smelled like an old dirty dish rag.
In a 2013 interview, Ruth said she bought a Whirlpool front loader around 2004. She blamed her teenage son for the smell. Ruth thought he was the source of the odor.
My son was a typical teenage slob. We all thought that the odor from him was getting into our clothes.
Turns out the back of the soap dispenser looked like this. It was full of mold. Ruth bought a new washer, but wasn't alone. This month, notices went out about a preliminary class action lawsuit settlement for people who purchased one of these Whirlpool, Kenmore, or Maytag front-loading washing machines, manufactured between 2001 and 2010. Depending on what type of receipts you have, you could get money, a rebate for a new washer or dryer, or up to $500 for out-of-pocket expenses for repairs or replacement. In a statement to Team 10, a Whirlpool Corporation spokesperson wrote, in part, "The company chose to settle to allow us to remove the continued distraction and expensive litigation. The washers included in the settlement were made during the 2000s, and only a small percentage of consumers, less than 4%, ever had a complaint about their washers." Ruth says she spent a lot of money on products trying to get rid of the mold, but didn't keep the receipts.
I don't keep all my Walmart receipts to prove that I bought, vinegar and peroxide and bleach and all these things to try to get the washer to not stink.
And this is just the preliminary settlement. It still needs final approval from the court. That could come in September. We are posting all the information that you need to know if you bought one of these types of front-loading washing machines, so you can get started on your part of this settlement. That's going to be on our website at 10news.com. Reporting live in the newsroom, Adam Rakusin, Team 10.
Thanks, Adam.